Hey, good afternoon. I am Corey Moore, aka Corey Stones, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about what Ethereum is. And there's a lot of technical explanations on exactly what Ethereum is. My goal here today is to break it down in very simple terms and hopefully to shed a little bit of light on understanding exactly what Ethereum is, its purpose, and how all the altcoins are working in conjunction with Ethereum. So reading directly off the Ethereum website, Ethereum in its simplest form is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts. That decentralized platform in its technical term is referred to as a EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine. And that is also referred to as the Ethereum platform. So when you're looking at the EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine, it's a decentralized network that's designed to operate as one large computer. Hence the word machine, right? The Ethereum virtual machine. It's designed to operate as one, but having decentralized independent components. So talking further a little bit about what the smart contracts are and how they work. When you're talking about Ethereum and smart contracts, the Ethereum is the framework or the platform in which allows for the smart contracts to be executed. So the smart contracts are being developed in the form of what's commonly referred to as dApps, decentralized applications. So when you're talking about majority of the altcoins that are being developed now, the vast majority of those altcoins are being developed as a dApp to work in conjunction with the Ethereum platform. So those dApps contain smart contracts or specific instructions that tell the token what to do. And those instructions, aka the smart contracts, can be extremely simple as just transferring a token from one exchange to a wallet, or can be extremely complex instructions or smart contracts consisting of things like mortgages, or consisting of things like banknotes, or consisting of things like other traditional contracts embedded into a smart contract type of format. So those smart contracts can be very simple or they can be very complex. Overall, the Ethereum network, or that EVM, is the platform that allows for all the decentralized apps to function on. And so when you're seeing a lot of these apps being developed and you're noticing that you're seeing things such as works with the Ethereum platform, that means that it's built as additional dApp, as an additional source of code to work in conjunction with that Ethereum platform. So when you're talking about the price of Ethereum, you're talking about essentially the price of the cost to do business on the network or the Ethereum platform. And so when you're talking about that price, it's not necessarily that you may go and use Ethereum to buy bread or buy milk, but you're using Ethereum to purchase other altcoins that are working in conjunction with the Ethereum platform. And that has a price point comparative, and that price of Ethereum is the cost of essentially executing those contracts within the Ethereum network. So hopefully that makes sense. And I know that that's a very vague and general explanation on what the Ethereum platform is, but hopefully it will break it down in a simple term. And if you're wanting to dig a little bit deeper and see how exactly those smart contracts are executed and certain ways and applications that they can be used, then you should pay attention to some more videos that we'll be posting here shortly that focus on the execution of smart contracts, how smart contracts work, how the gas works, which gas is a fee that you are charged to execute the smart contracts. So this is designed to just be a very short entry video into a vague and general explanation for the Ethereum platform. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. I hope that it shed a little bit of light onto what Ethereum is. If you like what you've heard, if you like what you've seen, click subscribe, be a part of our YouTube community. And once again, my name is Corey Moore, aka Corey Stones. We'll be covering everything everything from cryptocurrencies to other investments such as real estate and things as such as leisurely activities, mountain biking, snowboarding, traveling, and the list goes on. Have a great night.